Breaking news from the United States. President Donald Trump has authorized the deployment of the National Guard to Chicago amid rising concerns over public safety and ongoing unrest. But just hours later, a federal judge blocked a similar deployment in Portland, setting off a fierce. Tonight, we take a closer look at what's really happening, why this movie is sparking national controversy, and what it could mean for Americans' moving forward. The White House and Guard units would be mobilized in Chicago to restore order and protect federal interests. Officials claim that city has seen a surge in organized crime and violent protests over the past weeks. The administration says the move is not political, but purely about public safety. However, critics argue that this is another step toward federal overreach, raising questions about states' rights and the limits of presidential power. In a surprising turn, a federal judge in Oregon blocked Trump's order to deploy National Guard troops in Portland, calling it a violation of state sovereignty. The court ruled that without explicit state approval, federal troops cannot be deployed within city limits. This ruling now sets up a major legal confrontation between the White House and the judiciary. The political reactions were swift accused the administrations of using military power to intimidate cities that oppose federal policies. Republicans, on the other hand, defended the move, saying the president has the duty to protect American citizens when local governments fail to do so. Lawmakers from both parties are now calling for emergency meetings in Congress to clarify how far the federal government can go in enforcing law and order. For ordinary Americans, the question is simple: where does federal power and state control begin? If more cities resist or courts intervene, we could see a wave of constitutional challenges that shape U.S. politics for years to come. Experts warn this conflict might deepen national divides at a time when unity is most needed. This story is still developing, and we will bring you updates as they happen. Do you think deploying the National Guard was the right move or an abuse of power? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, reliable US